And we get Anthony Davis.
There you go. And as a Kentucky fan, I can see why you'd be happy. You almost have Kentucky blue on today.
Exactly. So I woke up, I saw the news, and I was like, oh, we get Anthony Davis.
There you go. Looking at the bright side.
I'm excited about it. Kentucky fan. So that's some good news at least. And the weather is also going to be, something to look forward to this week, if anything. I was also kind of checking the airport to see if there was like a mass exit out of DFW. And so far it doesn't look to be the case, but we are seeing lots of sunshine. It's nice and cool. Temperatures are in the upper 40s. The wind, it's coming out of the south around 10 miles an hour. So it's fairly light right now, but that's going to be changing later this afternoon. That wind's actually going to become pretty breezy here. So, temperatures right now are in the 40s and 50s. We've got 52 degrees in Dallas, but we're at 50 in Sherman. We've got upper 40s to the south, about 56 though in Breckenridge, 53 degrees over in Graham. Later this afternoon, temperatures going to warm up very nicely, looking at highs to be in the mid 70s. Again, a lot of sun. By later this evening, we're only dropping down into the 60s at 10 o'clock, 64 degrees. And we've got even nicer weather on the way. Temperatures will continue to trend a lot warmer, unseasonably warm. In fact, anywhere between about 15 to 20 degrees above normal. So all week, the normal highs in the upper 50s. We're going to be well above that. Seeing if we can get any rain in here. I think once we get to about midweek, we're certainly going to add a little bit more cloud cover. But as far as rain chances are concerned, that rain coverage is going to be very low. And I think that stays well off to the south and east. So for us, there might be about a 10% chance by the time we get into Wednesday. This is Wednesday at 11 o'clock into Thursday on some of our eastern counties that we could get areas of very light rain. But I think that's going to be very hard to come by. And as we get a little bit closer to the following weekend, it looks like those rain chances will start to creep in from the south and east. But generally, over the next several days, I think the bigger headline and what you're really going to notice is how nice and warm it is outside. So, temperatures today already making it into the mid 70s this afternoon, 76 here in Dallas, a little bit cooler off to the east. We're looking at about 73 in Canton, but 80s out to the west, 82 degrees today in Graham. We're talking 84 this afternoon in Albany. Overnight tonight, we're only dropping into the mid and upper 50s, and the normal should be in the upper 30s. So we're doing pretty good. We're going to start out tomorrow morning a little on the cool side. So you're going to want to grab a jacket, but by tomorrow afternoon, you won't necessarily need it. We're talking 70s, 80s, even 90s will be a possibility in some of our western counties. Looking at the next 7 days, again, we're going to stay in the mid and upper 70s. There's that slight chance of maybe some rain making it in DFW by Friday. And looking at your 14-day forecast, it looks like some bigger changes on the way by the following week. It does look a lot cooler.